The sentence today was about obtaining justice for the financial victims of Alex Murdaugh.
In court, prosecutors said there were 11 other victims who have been scammed out of about $1.3 million who chose not to be part of the case because they did not want their identities known.
This type of conduct will be vigorously prosecuted here in South Carolina.
Judge Richard Gergel said the Bernie Madoff case, where he was sentenced to 170 years, is analogous to this case. He said Murdaugh's crimes went on for 15 years and over 27 clients, including very needy clients, a paraplegic victim, and children who lost their mother. Prosecutors asked Judge Gergel to sentence Murdaugh to 30 years in prison. Instead, he added 10 years to that, sentencing him to 40. He also ordered him to pay more than $8 million in restitution. Gergel talked about why, saying, quote, "A serious sentence is necessary. There must be justice for his victims. Deterrence is critical in this case. If he were released, I believe he would continue in illegal activity. This sentence is intended to demonstrate serious consequences to attorneys." Even Murdaugh's attorney, Jim Griffin, agreed.
We don't disagree with Judge Gergel's sentiments. I think that's widely held, and I think Alec believes the same thing as, that Judge Gergel stated in the courtroom.
In court, one of Murdaugh's victims, Tony Satterfield, looked at Murdaugh and said, quote, "I pray for you daily. I just want God to work on you and your heart. There is hope." Outside, victims told me they're glad today is over.
Prosecutors were initially asking the judge for 30 years, and the judge ended up sentencing him to 40 years. What went through your mind when you heard that?
I'm not to judge.